Yo, what is up YouTube? It's your boy Breezy. Hold up, we almost forgot the anime in the background. We can't do this. We got 1 sec, restart. Bam, there we go. So today we're going over the Nike Dunk Low in the medium curry colorway. Now before we get into the shoes, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it. The Nike Dunk Low Premium Medium Curry will be joining a massive Dunk Low lineup for the scheduled 2021 releases. Dressed in a sailed medium curry and fossil color scheme, this Nike Dunk Low features a full suede constructed upper with cell uppers, brown overlays, and fossil colored swooshes and heels. The cell midsole atop a curry rubber sole completes the design. Look for the Nike Dunk Low Medium Curry to release March 29th at select Nike retailers and the Nike Sneakers app. The retail price tag is set at $110 US. Obviously this is a premium Nike Dunk, so we're getting some nice materials on here. It's such a neutral colorway that it can be worn with pretty much anything. So I definitely see a lot of people going after this shoe. Now I will get into resale here in a bit, but before we do that, make sure you guys check out the description below. I will leave places dropping this shoe, places to enter raffles, all that good stuff. I say it all the time on my How to Cop videos, make sure you take advantage of the raffles. I know that the chances of you winning a raffle are very low, but it's better than not entering the raffle at all. Like I said, this is a very neutral color. Mother phone keeps going on. Shut up. Now, like I said, this is a very neutral colorway. You got a lot of browns and light tan colors, so really this can be matched with a lot of different outfits. Now the colors are nice, but you have this very nice premium suede material, more of a like rougher suede on the outer lays in that darker brown color, and the underlays are this very smooth suede material. I'm comparing it to the high top curries that dropped a little bit ago. Grab them real quick right here. So as you guys can see, we got this nice thick suede with this smooth suede on the underlays. So it's gonna be very similar to this, obviously different color tones, but overall this is the same type of quality. So definitely something you can't go wrong with. $110 retail, you're getting that type of quality. Said it before and I'll say it again, Nike Dunks are such a great shoe because they come with great quality at such a low retail price. It's just a great shoe. So whether you're looking for this shoe to get as a personal or resell, you cannot go wrong, especially this colorway. One thing I don't like about Nike Dunks compared to SB Dunks is the fact that they don't ever add extra laces. So SB Dunks, they'll throw in extra laces, and it's nice to be able to switch up the laces, make it pretty much a whole new colorway. Whereas Dunks, they don't tend to do that. You typically get only the one colorway, and here you're getting some like white, kind of like a creamish colored lace. I would like to see this shoe come with some brown laces or even a darker tan. And honestly, this is a colorway that can have different colored laces and still look fairly decent just because it's very neutral. You don't got any loud colors on the actual colorway itself, so you can actually throw on some black laces, maybe some red, maybe some pink, blue. Like, you can kind of mess with this colorway, which is nice. Now let's get into resale. So currently on places like StockX, this shoe's going for around $350, give or take 25 bucks. I do think that price is going to drop after release day once people get their pairs in hand and they start selling them. I think the price will drop down to like $250, $275. But I think with some times it's gonna hit 300 plus again easily. Yeah, there's my resale predictions. Let me know what your guys' resale predictions are in the comment section below. What do you think of this shoe? Are you gonna cop as a personal or just gonna try and flip? If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
I don't trust no one but a guy that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 through that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a guy that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 through that shit more than once.